students, welcome to online platform of Shri Academy. In the previous video, we were reading the chapter named The Triumph of Surgery. Let's continue with the chapter. All the while, Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn accordingly to the weather. But I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger. That was convalescing rapidly. So now when Tricky reached to the surgery means the place where the animals were treated, the hospital of animals is known as surgery. So when Tricky reached to surgery, at that time his mistress used to call Mr. Her mistress used to call doctor more than 12 times a day to know about the latest update about the Tricky. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or not, and she always inquired about whether his cushions were turned regularly or not, whether he was wearing right coat according to the weather or not. So this shows that how much caring she was about Tricky, how much she was worried about Tricky. So, and the word convalescing means to recover. So when Mrs. Pumphrey used to ask these questions, at the time doctor used to dodge means to ignore the questions related to his cushions and his coats, and he only used to tell that the little animal was recovering well. The word convalescing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. She started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength for a happy period of my partner, and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibility of the situation began to dawn on the household. So now what happened when doctor communicated to the mistress that dog is convalescing now. So the word convalescing meant a lot to Tricky's mistress. She started sending up a dozen of eggs at a time, and that was very enough for means all the people in the surgery. Each of them had 2 eggs in the breakfast, and after that what his mistress did, she used to send bottles of wine to enhance the health of Tricky, and that was very much enjoyable for both of them. Means for doctor also, he used to have a glass of wine before breakfast and many during the breakfast. The real possibility of situation began to dawn on the household. Now in the house everybody was very happy. They were enjoying the things that Mrs. Pumphrey was sending for Tricky. All of them were sharing it and eating and enjoying it. It was enriched Tricky's blood. Lunch became ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several times during the meals. So now, as I told you, that when she used to send the bottles of wines, all the members of the surgery used to drink one before the meal and many glasses of wine during the meal. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put the final edge on Tricky's constitution. For a few nights a fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled and reverently drunk. Now what happens when Mrs. Pumphrey sent the brandy in the surgery. It was like last constitution to the Tricky's health, means that was to enhance the health of Tricky, and all of them used to drink the brandy and enjoy it. They were days of deep content, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved the sustained by midday wine, and finished luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. Now what happens when Mrs. Pumphrey used to send all these things, all the members in surgery were enjoying a lot. They were having a good meal in the morning and afternoon, and in the night they used to have a brandy. So all were enjoying that, and doctor wanted to keep Tricky for more time with him. Within minute about it was temptation to keep Tricky on permanent guest, but I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog has recovered and was awaiting collection. Now after when fortnight passed, means when the 15 days passed, doctor had to call Mrs. Pumphrey to tell that so that she can collect Tricky, as now Tricky was getting well day by day and his health was very much improved. So rather than doctor wanted to keep Tricky more time with him because he was enjoying the luxury of Tricky at his surgery. Yes, he is fine. There no need. Within a minute, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. The coffler opened the door, and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey almost lost in the interior. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Harriot, do tell me the truth. Is he really better?" Now when Mrs. Pumphrey reached to the surgery, what did the Mr. Harriot saw? Mr. Harriot saw 30 feet gleaming black metal. Gleaming means shining, and black metal refers to the body of the car. So he saw a long black metal car outside the surgery. The coffer opened the door, and he was hardly to the color of mirror were also black. So Mr. Harriot cannot see Mrs. Pumphrey clearly, but little figure of Mrs. Pumphrey he saw. And then Mrs. Pumphrey was very much scared. She was clasping her hand in her front, and her lips also trembled. Means she was fearful that whether his dog Tricky is good or not. She thought that might something wrong would happen with him, and doctor is not telling her. So she asked to the doctor that, "Tell me really Tricky is okay or not?" So doctor told to Mrs. Pumphrey, "Yes, he's fine. There is no need for you to get out the car. I'll go and fetch him. Fetch to bring." So when Mrs. Pumphrey asked these questions to Harriot, Mr. Harriot said, "Yes, of course he is very well. He is fine, and you do not have to come out of your car. I will go and bring him for you." So I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn. In their midst, ear flapping, tall tail weaving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. In 2 weeks he had been transformed into lithe, hard-muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. So now Tricky was, earlier when he come to surgery, he was very much fat, he was overweighted, but when he was leaving the surgery, he became very slim. His muscles hardened, and he started to stretch up, and his chest touched the ground. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The coffer was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms in tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. She gave a startled "oh!" and then had to defend herself as he swam over her, licking her face and barking. So when doctor went to bring Tricky, he went and he bought Tricky, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he leaped from his lap and leaped over Mrs. Pumphrey, and he started licking her face and barking. Means he was showing his love towards his mistress. This shows how affectionate was Tricky to her mistress. During the excitement, I helped the coffer to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats, balls, none of which had been used. As car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window, tears shone in her eyes, her lips trembled. Now, what happens when he was Mrs. Pumphrey and Tricky were meeting to each other? They were showing their love and concern towards each other. At that time, Mr. Harriet helped his driver to bring up the belongings of the Tricky to the car, which none of his belongings were used yet. Oh, and when the car started and they moved on, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window, and tears were falling from her eyes, and her lips were still trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriet, she cried, how can I ever thank you? This is strength of surgery. Now, at the last, looking out of the window, Mrs. Pumphrey said to Mr. Harriet that how could I thank you enough? As we know, in the early we came to know that Tricky was so much ill. He was not eating anything. He was overfed. He was overweighted, and he was suffering. He was almost to die. But in surgery, he recovered within 15 days and had strong muscles and built up his body in a good way. So now Mrs. Pumphrey was very much thankful to the veterinary doctor named Harriet, and she said, how could I thank you enough for the support you did? And this is triumph of surgery. That means this is victory of the surgery. That means recovery of Tricky was victory of the surgery. Thank you, students. Hope you understand well the story, and if you have any doubt in the story, you can directly contact me and ask your doubts. Thank you.